Welcome to day 2 of the Paracore walkthrough. Today we will quickly cover the Paracore UI and create a short script. Before we continue though, there are some requirements. Make sure you have the latest Paracore release. You can download them from this page. Download the top 3 here. And for sample scripts, you can click here. Download the zip and extract it so that you can load the scripts into Paracore and experiment with. Also, make sure you are working with Revit versions 2025 or above, because Paracore doesn't work for versions below that. Also, enable autosave in VS Code, this one, to enable synchronization between VS Code and Paracore while you are editing your scripts. And the last one is just a note. We may call this script is CoreScript in Paracore, but they are simple C# scripts. Now that we are done with the prerequisites, we can dive into the Paracore UI overview. At the top, we have the TopBar. It has a menu for hiding and showing the sidebar. App title. This is a theme switcher. And we have a Revit connection status text. We have 3 action buttons here for automation modes. And this is the help action button. You can read the help here. Also, we have 2 sign-in buttons. The sign-in with Google is not available yet, so just use this one. Continue offline. Next, we have the sidebar. The sidebar is mostly used for loading and unloading script sources. Script sources are just local folders where you put your scripts. You can also unload script sources using this button. Unloading a script source doesn't delete it from hard drive. It just unloads it from Paracore. Then at the center, we have the script gallery. At the top of the script gallery are these 3 checkboxes for isolating scripts based upon categories. In order for isolation to work, these categories must be specified in the script metadata itself. This multi-line comment directly below the using statements is the script metadata. Next to the checkboxes, we have the search box and the filter box. Also, we have a new script button for creating a new script. To the right, we have the script inspector. Selecting a script in the gallery populates the inspector with the script details. At the top, we have the script header with script name, categories, description, and other metadata. Right below the header, there are different tabs. The parameters tab is where you edit script parameters before you run the script. The console tab is where execution outputs come. Table tab for rendering a table output. And the metadata tab shows more metadata for the script. Right below the parameters tab at the bottom, we have the run script button, which is the same as this run button in the script cards. To the right end of the run script button, we have this toggle button, which toggles on and off the read-only code viewer. In order to edit our codes, we must click the Edit in VS Code button here. Now that we are finished with the Paracore user interface overview, let's create our first script. Open Paracore. In the side view, I'll load an empty folder. I have already prepared an empty folder in the desktop. New source. The gallery is empty because the source we selected is empty. Create a new script by clicking on the New Script button. In Paracore, we have 2 types of scripts, multi-file script and single-file script. We'll come to the multi-file script later in another tutorial. For now, let's just create a single-file script. And you don't have to include the extension when you input the file name. I have created a new script and named it hello all. If I select it, the script inspector is populated because the new script is generating a template file. But we can open it in VS Code and replace it with our own. In the parameters tab, to the right of the run script, click this toggle button to open the read-only code viewer. Now to edit, click on the Edit in VS Code button. Before editing the script, make sure VS Code has completed generating the temporary workspace, or check if obj and bin folders are created. Or you can hover on one of these objects, and if you see a hover documentation like this, it means IntelliSense is working. Now you can edit your script.